Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. In today's video we will continue our work on our time stop move right here. And in the last episode, our Roblox studio suddenly decided to crash after we have tried to animate something onto this Star Platinum right here. And I was able to revert everything, so my studio crashed and it didn't even save everything. But thankfully there was an autosave folder somewhere on my PC stored from that session out, and I was just able to revert everything. So thanks to Roblox Studio for that. Okay, now what we're going to do now is that we are going to create this time stop animation. So in order to do this, we have to move our Star Platinum into a neutral stance first of all. Neutral stance means legs, they are like this, but the upper body is just neutral overall, you know? So that's going to be what the term neutral stance stand for. Now, let me let me save this as a neutral stance so that we save as neutral stance so that in future we can just easily load this neutral stance. Save right here, you know? Okay. With that being said, let's try and animate this time stop. So the idea I have on my mind literally, yeah, is or belongs to the world's stance when he performs this time stop move, and I'm not really sure about it, so I don't know if Star Platinum does that as well. Probably not, but I think that I'm just gonna do it anyway. So this is like basically it. So this is the stance I yeah, just thought about creating. So let's make this 1 second long. Let's export it. Okay, publish to Roblox. There we go. So time stop, submit, copy the ID. That's pretty important. Save the ID right here down below, and then go ahead inside of this stand control script, and we have created this if statement called fire time stop. So this basically is our actual time stop code at that point. So first thing which we are going to do is that we are going to go inside of our Star Platinum model right here. So inside of that stance folder, because this one is just to animate things into it and to add some body parts to it, so some clothing, for example. And yeah, now copy one of those animations right here, and let's call it time stop. And then just copy this animation ID and paste it inside of this animation ID field box whatsoever. Now we have to make this animation play, so we have to, we're just going to copy this code. So this upper code right here is responsible to stop any other animation playing, and this one just makes this time stop animation play. So change combat free to time stop, and then you're good to go. Now let's play this. Let's see how it looks like. So Q. The problem is that we have to delete this because this tween does not make other animations stop from playing, but the tween just makes our stand move in front of us, and we do not want to do that. Also, we have to fire server this before we tween everything, because that's the way and how I want things to look like. Okay, so there is no other reason behind of that. So let's see how this looks like now. Okay, yeah, still too late, guys. That's too late. Well, let's actually play it right here, because this 0.5 second delay could make things look better. So let's see. Okay, yeah, there we go. It actually does. So the animation is now playing at the correct time. Now, what is missing? Of course, we have to change the whole lighting ambient whatsoever. So the whole color of this world. Okay, so you guys hopefully know what I'm trying to express. Okay, so what we could do is that we can add a color correction effect. Can play around with this one a little. So we can make this world a bit more darker. Okay, let's call this time stop. Wait, why is it now gone? Let's call this time on time stop effect. Let's move it inside of the replicated storage. And let's make sure that it is enabled. And inside of here where it says fire time stop, we can now clone this one. So get service replicated storage, timestamp effect, clone, x parent game lighting. There we go. Okay, yeah, so this is our time stop move. Now we should be able to walk, or yeah, to be able to walk inside of this time stop. So 16 and 50, so that we are like actually able to damage all of the other players right here. Okay. Now the only thing which we need to add is the actual time stop mechanism. There are different ways to do it. So we could, for example, anchor everything which is inside of the workspace, so we could do that. Or there could be another way. Well, let's try out the method to, just anchor everything. So let's loop through the workspace. So get descendants do. So we are looping through the workspace, and we are actually looping through every instance which is in there, even those instances which are children of other instances, So when we speak of this character model right here, we would, for example, if this would have been in the workspace, we would, for example, detect everything which is inside of it and detect everything which is inside of everything which we have detected so far. Now, if V is a part or V is a mesh part, then we want to continue. And what we want to do is that we want to anchor everything. So let's see how this is going to work out. Probably not good. We didn't even add an exception for our own character, but we'll see. So we have just anchored ourselves. Okay, so before we actually get into doing some complicated stuff, I really would like to end the video at this point to be able to explain the actual time stop mechanism for full 10 minutes in the next episode of this series, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next episode.